Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening settings from the time area in the lower right. This takes you directly to system controls. Use the search box and type language to surface language options quickly. Once done, expand advanced if the option isn't visible, and make sure to enable any accessibility options you require for alternate keyboards or input methods. This accelerates the next steps and prevents confusion when adding a new display or input language. You then click Add Languages and pick the language you want. This separates display language from input methods, so you control both independently. Once added, move your preferred display language to the top of the list to make it primary, and customize keyboard layouts under Input method, add or remove layouts as needed. Make sure to download any language pack requested. This ensures menus and system messages update correctly rather than only changing keyboard behavior. Finally, apply changes by signing out or restarting so the display language takes effect across the Chromebook. Once you're back, switch input methods quickly from the shelf or with Ctrl+Space and verify menus and settings show the chosen language. If you don't see the language, make sure Chrome OS is up to date and re-add the language. Sometimes a pending update or a temporary sync issue prevents display packs from installing correctly. So update then, repeat the add/configure steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.